Welcome back to the Crypto World channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now Ethereum is at a deciding point on the chart. Right now, we are testing this significant level of resistance on the daily time frame. This is important for the Ethereum holders. And I'll be updating you guys on the Ethereum funding rates because right now they are doing something crazy. But just before we jump into all of that, make sure to drop a like on the video down below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on for more videos like this one. I honestly appreciate the support so much on this channel. I try and thank you guys every single video because I really do mean it. But with that out of the way, let's get straight into what this video is about. So right here, we're on the Ethereum to US dollar chart on the 1 day time frame. And as you can see just here, we are once again, as I just mentioned, coming into this turning point in the chart. So right now, I am definitely keeping an eye on this level right here. This is coming in at approximately 2.2K, give or take. Now you can draw this line a couple different ways. So for example, if you draw this line kind of like this, where you're chopping off this wick just here, and you're kind of connecting this area just here on the chart, then we're potentially already breaking above this line. But yeah, either way, we will likely know within the next 2 days whether or not Ethereum has broken above this line or whether or not we're about to get another rejection. If we get another rejection, that basically means the price cannot get above this specific level just here around 2.2K. If we cannot get above that level within the next couple of days, then it's likely that the Ethereum price is due for a little bit more downside price action just in the short term. I would not actually expect a massive crash for Ethereum, even if we get a rejection along that level, just simply a bit of short-term downside price action. But of course, if we could get a break above that specific level just there, and more importantly, if we can form a new higher high for Ethereum, so if we could break above that high just there, coming in at around 2.4K, if Ethereum can get above that level just there, once again, I would actually expect much higher price targets to come into play for Ethereum. One of the first major price targets that I would be looking at is roughly around 2.9K at these previous highs just here. Now, drawing out this line a little bit further just here, if you kind of squint your eyes at this chart and kind of disregard this wick just here, you can potentially see this as an inverse head and shoulders pattern on the daily time frame just here. So once again, that would require a little bit of a bullish bias, but it can still play out as one if enough traders out there are looking at this inverse head and shoulders pattern as an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So if we can actually get a confirmed break above 2.2K approximately, the technical price target for this inverse head and shoulders pattern, if it does play out as one, is coming in at approximately 3,000 US dollars per Ethereum. So that breakout target just there, from the point of the breakout to the target, is a 36% gain for Ethereum. From the current prices at the time of filming this video is above a 40% gain for Ethereum. Now, to be honest, Ethereum on this next move just here will strongly depend on what Bitcoin is doing. If Bitcoin has a big move to the upside, then it is quite likely to take Ethereum along for the ride. But if Bitcoin for some reason has a massive crash, then that is also likely to flow over to Ethereum as well. So keep that in mind as well. If you missed out on the Bitcoin update, definitely check that out after you finish this video so that you're not missing out on all of that information. But yeah, just here, those are the significant levels on the chart that I will be paying attention to moving forward for Ethereum. Talking about the daily time frame, when you're talking about the 4-hourly time frame, quickly recapping yesterday's video, I did actually mention the fact that Ethereum was starting to break above this resistance area on the chart just here. And I recorded yesterday's video right there as we were trading above this area of resistance. But I was saying in that video, we were actually seeing depleting volume. So we were not seeing the volume to back up that move to the upside. So what needed to be done, as I always mention in these videos, if we do not see the volume to confirm the breakout, we need to see a retest of the previous resistance to confirm a breakout to the upside. And that played out just as expected. And right now we are shooting up towards that next exact point of resistance just here. For some reason, when I was posting yesterday's video, a lot of people in the comment section were calling this little move just here a massive crash. So I'm not too sure why a lot of people were thinking just here that Ethereum was seeing a massive crash to the downside. But as I was saying here over on my Twitter, you should probably stay off the 1 minute chart if you were thinking that that move was a massive crash. So talking about some support areas now, if we do continue to see a bit of resistance just here in the short term at this level that I was just previously talking about, over the next couple of days, if we do see a rejection along this line of resistance, I would actually expect the Ethereum price to find support in around this region again. By the way, that region is ranging from just below 2,000 to just above 2,000. So pretty much around 2,000 US dollars, give or take on either side. Once again, there's a decent amount of support in around that range just there if we do see an actual rejection along this level over the next couple of days. Now, keep in mind that in the short term, talking about the 4-hour time frame just here, as you can see, the RSI is starting to reach into overbought areas in the immediate short term. So of course, there's still room to the upside, but we are starting to get a little bit overheated. So once again, this could also come in confluence with this line of resistance just here, with a slight little pullback just here before potentially breaking above that level. But even if Ethereum just consolidates sideways here, that will actually pull the RSI down into those more neutral areas if the price is just heading sideways. So anything like that, sideways price action or slightly to the downside, that can help reset the RSI and give us even more room to the upside. So even in the short term, something like that, if you're on the 1 minute time frame, it could look a little bit bearish, but on the bigger picture just here, that would actually be what we need to really see a decent move to the upside. Now, quickly talking about the Ethereum funding rates just here across all of these exchanges, as you can see right now, the majority of exchanges are in negative funding rates. What that actually means is the majority of people trading Ethereum right now are in short positions. The majority are bearish on Ethereum. And as most of you would probably know by now, the majority are usually wrong when it comes to the actual market trends just here. So for example, when Ethereum was peaking a couple months ago above 4,000 US dollars, the majority in the market at that stage just there was actually very bullish on Ethereum. We were seeing very positive funding rates. Everyone was entering long positions at the top. And now after we've seen a massive correction, a massive pullback for Ethereum here on the daily time frame, everyone is entering short positions, betting on the price going to the downside after we've already seen the downside price action. So this right here, seeing all of these negative funding rates, this is actually a good sign for Ethereum, a bullish sign for Ethereum moving forward, because this could potentially lead into a short squeeze. And if you don't know what that is, I actually explained it in my Bitcoin update that I just uploaded on the channel. So definitely check that out if you missed that. And by the way, the very next video on the channel that I will be posting after I post this video, that video that I will be posting soon on the channel will be talking about short positions, long positions, and how to actually trade Bitcoin, Ethereum step by step from beginning to end. So definitely watch out for that video soon on the channel. And once again, I will be posting that video because a bunch of you guys have been suggesting it in the comment section down below. I do read a lot of your comments in the comment section. And recently I have gotten a few suggestions in both my YouTube comment section and over on Twitter to cover a bit more altcoins. And if you've been following me over on Twitter, I have been mentioning one altcoin that I am accumulating a lot of right now. So I'll probably include that in the next 1 to 2 days here on the channel. And once again, if you want to get this extra content throughout the day, even when I'm not posting here on the YouTube channel, I do post these bonus updates over on my Twitter completely for free. If you're not following me over on Twitter, the link to my Twitter is in the description down below. But anyway, that's just about everything I have to say for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you got something valuable out of this video that you could take away and help make yourself some money in these crypto markets. And if you did, be sure to drop a like on the video down below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on for more videos like this one. Once again, as always, I appreciate the support on this channel every single video. I can't thank you guys enough. And also feel free to share these videos around with your friends, because right now we are entering into a major time of opportunity. So there's really never been a better time to remain active in these markets and share these videos around with your friends. But anyway, that's really everything I have to say for this video. Once again, I really hope you enjoyed it and I will see you all in the next video.